Starting around the 1st of May 2023, bitgert really is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.87% in kind of most recent 1 hour in an especially significant manner incredibly. Brise has a sort of especially complete market cap of $147,323,875 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $3,778,724, which in a real sense is very huge. This truly makes bitgert positioning at 178 in the digital currency market in a significant way. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what fundamentally is the bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will bitgert essentially be in every practical sense, worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive way? Is bitgert a truly wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in a very significant manner? Will Brise cost fundamentally outperform its record-breaking high amazingly? These generally for the most part are our bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which sort of basically is genuinely critical. Bitgert value expectation 2023 in an unobtrusive way. As per the bitgert figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Brise cost for the most part is supposed to truly cross a kind of truly normal value level of $0. The normal sort of truly least value worth of bitgert toward the finish of the truly current year ought to in a real sense be $0 a sort of large manner, which is very huge. Besides, Brise can especially arrive at an actually certainly greatest value level of $0. Brise value estimate April 2023. In April 2023 the cost of bitgert is determined to be at around a base worth of $0. Lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. In spite of mainstream thinking, the bitgert value worth can really arrive at an especially limit of $0, the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in an essentially large way, in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitgert value gauge May 2023. In May 2023 the cost of bitgert is supposed to for the most part in every practical sense be at around a truly least of $0 in especially significant manner incredibly. Bitgert cost can in a real sense in every way that really matters arrive at an especially limit of $0, the especially normal cost of $0 USD, which for the most part shows that these certainly are our bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitgert value figure June 2023. For June 2023 the cost of bitgert essentially especially is truly anticipated to explicitly arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0 and especially least of $0. Sort of additional appearance how Brise value conjecture April 2023. In April 2023 the cost of bitgert actually in a real sense is estimated to sort of be at around an extremely least worth of $0, which all things considered is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. Bitgert value gauge July 2023. The genuinely normal cost of bitgert could basically go to $0 the finish of July 2023, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Brise could in every practical sense be exchanging around a truly greatest worth of $0, the base expected cost of $0 an outrageously huge manner. Brise value conjecture August 2023. The bitgert gauge for August 2023 expects that the Brise may sort of in a real sense arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0, a kind of certainly least cost of around $0 an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Discussing the especially normal value Brise can stretch around $0 August. Really in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is very huge. Bitgert value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the greatest cost for bitgert could sort of generally stretch around $0 in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in September 2023 essentially is $0, a fundamentally normal cost of $0 a truly significant manner. Bitgert value estimate October 2023. For October 2023 the cost of bitgert especially is truly in every practical sense anticipated to arrive at a truly normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a limit of $0 and especially genuinely least of $0, which generally in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Bitgert value expectation November 2023. Bitgert cost in every practical sense is supposed to generally reach between $0 November 2023, while the sort of typical cost of Brise for the November for the most part essentially remains around $0 value gauge December 2023. In December 2023 the cost of bitgert all things considered is supposed to truly be at around a truly least of $0, which all things considered is very critical. Bitgert cost can generally arrive at a genuinely limit of $0, the pretty truly normal cost of $0 USD in an unobtrusive way, or so they thought. bitgert pretty past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been truly diminished by 5.8% in its ongoing worth, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge, assuming we generally look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Brise with yesterday. You can generally see that the market cap especially is likewise down in a sort of significant manner, which for the most part is very critical. bitgert truly is confronting an especially by and large tough time jumping aboard with especially truly other crypto coins, which especially is very critical. The Brise is down to nearly 10.79% in the sort of most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin basically essentially is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for quite past kind of couple of days. The coin could generally have areas of strength for exceptionally yet. We don't sort of really believe that it would a beneficial resource and most certainly transient in a by and large huge manner. bitgert Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will be bitgert especially extremely worth in 2023, which sort of is very huge. The Brise cost basically is estimated to generally basically arrive at a really greatest degree of $0, truly least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, which generally sort of is very huge. Does bitgert sort of have a future in and especially in every way that really matters? Large way. As far as value, bitgert in every practical sense has an exceptional potential to all things considered, arrive at new levels in an unpretentious way. It is estimated that Brise will increment in esteem, which basically is very huge, as indicated by commonly unambiguous specialists and business examiners. bitgert can fundamentally raise a ruckus around town, the sort of the most exorbitant cost of $0 2030, or so they essentially thought. Is bitgert kind of essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? bitgert's worth for the most part truly is supposed to sort of keep on extending, as deficiency will in general for the most part support cost rise, showing how bitgert Value Gauge June 2023. For June 2023, the cost of bitgert by and large is especially anticipated to for the most part in every way that really matters, arrive at an all things considered normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $0 and essentially least of $0. Fundamentally further appearance how Brise value estimate April 2023. In April 2023, the cost of bitgert especially in a real sense is determined to sort of be at around a kind of least worth of $0, which sort of is very huge. Kindly note, there for the most part explicitly is a gamble to any speculation, or so they certainly in a real sense thought. Just by and large put resources into what you can in every practical sense achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the greatest exploration conceivable, or so they for the most part thought in a significant manner.